Hi, I'm. Yeah, not bad.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Hi, I'm Alan Miller, Hitman Public Relations. I'm here at Digital World Expo with my friend Warren Whitlock behind the camera for this short time, and I get to interview an amazing group of people that I just met here. You got to tell them. It's brilliant.
Thank you very much.
No,
but
this
we
is
did
really
meet
brilliant.
before.
Yes, we
so
did.
We
We
it's
met
been a
with
while.
yes, we have been a while with one of my clients,
We've both been
Bonnie
around.
Jill. Yes, we have.
But today we're at Digital World with AppCat, and AppCat is an app, a program that people can use to make their own personal apps. Whether it's a personal app, a business app, they pretty much can use it for any type of business or personal use whatsoever.
This is amazing. I ran into Stephen, business partner.
Yep.
Business partner, brilliant. Obviously, he's excited about it. It's absolutely brilliant the way that I can update information right away, contact,
Absolutely.
email it. My friends can email it, and I can update the news feed.
Yep.
Which means I get to take my client and I get to change where she's going to be, what she's going to do, and
Absolutely.
at every minute, correct?
Yeah, absolutely, and as soon as you update that app in your studio, AppCat Studio, it will update on anybody else's app as soon as they open that app.
What I find even more brilliant is you made it so I can give each and every one of my clients their own app as well.
Absolutely, you can make as many apps as you want.
So you, at this point, because we're going to send it out, the link through Warren's 80,000 people and all my people, so please, give me your website.
Absolutely, it's www.app.cat.
Brilliant. Go to this, see it. You won't believe it. I wish I would have thought of it. She has several other apps. She's actually a genius. Yes, you are.
Oh, thank you. Well, I'm not the genius. My developers are.
Okay, well, listen,
I'm the genius for having those developers.
Yes, that's true. And you thought, yeah, I threw the softball there. You should have caught it. But anyway, we're out at Digital World Expo. Please go to our site and see it. I highly recommend it. Again.
Absolutely.